Ryan here, Silly Reviews. I'm going to show you how to counterbalance how terrible Facebook Marketplace is. Look what we did. We made a little pop-up garage sale right here. Advertised on Marketplace, bringing people in, but you don't have to deal with the nonsense of people sending you a message, asking if something is still available, then never replying to you again. They either show up or they don't. Don't give them your exact address. Just give them a corner street, a little waypoint to put in their GPS. And if they're serious, they'll find their way here. And now you actually have somebody here who has invested something into what you're trying to sell, which is their time, their travel, which equates to money. This could be the key to defeating how terrible Facebook Marketplace is. What do you think about this? And if you happen to be in Southern Louisiana, send me a message, but do it quickly. You have to see this YouTube video and message me within like 4 hours from now to come get a great deal. This is how you defeat the nonsense and how terrible Facebook Marketplace is. If you have any ideas to make this even better, please let me know. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews, and I thank you for watching. Ryan here.
Silly Reviews. Silly Reviews.